Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegetables on the grill. First, select fresh, firm vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, or corn on the cob. Next, prepare them by washing and cutting them into uniform pieces, about 1/2 to 1 inch thick, ensuring even cooking. Then, toss your prepared vegetables with a generous 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. For an extra flavor boost, marinate them for at least 30 minutes. Now, let's talk about grilling techniques. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal results. For smaller or more delicate vegetables like cherry tomatoes or sliced onions, a grill basket or foil packet works wonderfully to prevent them from falling through the grates. Larger pieces, such as bell pepper halves or corn, can go directly onto the grill. Turn them every few minutes, cooking until they are tender crisp, usually taking 5 to 10 minutes. To achieve perfect flavor and texture, avoid overcrowding the grill. This allows for proper air circulation and ensures each piece cooks evenly. During the grilling process, you can brush your vegetables with a little extra olive oil or marinade to keep them moist and flavorful. Keep an eye out for those beautiful, slight char marks, as they indicate delicious caramelization. Remember to remove the vegetables from the grill as soon as they reach your preferred level of tenderness, typically after 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, let's discuss serving your delicious grilled vegetables. They are best served immediately, hot off the grill, as a fantastic side dish. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish them with some freshly chopped herbs, such as parsley or cilantro. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top can really brighten all the flavors. These versatile vegetables are wonderful warm or even at room temperature, making them perfect for salads or wraps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.